In terms of practical considerations, this is from my experience dealing with redundancy settlement agreements involving overseas people, or just people, any worker really. If the business is able to support it, it's much better to agree a settlement agreement with an employee rather than simply stick to the statutory redundancy payment if you're able to. Often, this gives just a lot of extra protection against the potential for unfair dismissal claims going forward in the future. They are very complex documents that pretty much sign many of the employees' rights away to sue you for those discrimination claims. You don't have to pay a lot of money extra. It can be a month's salary, or it could be a smallish amount of money if it just helps them to resettle and to find a new job, or to keep them going while they're looking for a new sponsor, whatever it may be. In terms of international employees, often I've seen, particularly with the more high-end employees, but it could just as easily apply to more general level employees, negotiating their redundancy package, it doesn't just need to be money. You might be able to assist them in, soft skills like interview skills, in terms of CV drafting for them, in terms of putting them in touch with other sponsored companies that you know, even help with repatriating to their home country if you can't help them find another sponsored job. We've had assistance with repatriating pets, even buying flights, all that sort of thing. Anything like that can be included in a settlement agreement, and just softens that process for an international employee, and means it's much less likely that you'll find yourselves in a discrimination situation if you do have to make people redundant.